Okay, so here is my solar oven in action. You can see the bright spot down there in the middle. It's because the light waves are reflecting off the tinfoil and it's focused in that middle point. I've got transmission happening, and I definitely have some absorption happening too, as evidenced by my thermometer, which is there going up at 160, 163 and still going up. So therefore, even though the air temperature is only about 37 degrees, maybe 40 degrees out, I'm using the light waves and infrared radiation to cook my s'more. So I think it's about time to take it out and see what the consistency of my chocolate and the marshmallow are. Look at that, it's still going up, 167. I think that's warm enough to make a s'more. Let's look. All right, there it is. Just brought it from outside. Let's take a look at the quality of the s'more. We've got a lot of good quantitative information. I can actually feel heat radiating up off of this. I can feel the infrared radiation that's actually leaving this right now, trying to heat up the air around me. So I'm going to remove my little pieces here that we're keeping the saran wrap attached. And let's take a look at this piece of saran wrap, actually. I think this is interesting. So it's kind of stuck to some of the pieces of garbage bag here. So I can feel the heat as well. The infrared radiation, I can feel it coming out of this area of just black garbage bags. Oh, it's warm. Now, take a look at that. That's a hole that was melted by the sunlight. There's another one up here that also has a rip in it. And then here's another piece. These are both of these holes right here and here are from infrared radiation, or from the solar rays. And right now, if you look inside this box, there's a lot of black inside of there. And I can feel the infrared radiation just coming up off of this. Oh yeah, these pieces here. Let's actually see if we can use the infrared gun here, the infrared thermometer, to take a look. Okay, you can see so I couldn't get the temperature right there in the middle, but you can definitely see that it's warm. It's warm in here. It's definitely warm in here. Okay, so warm that even this garbage bag melted itself to this. You'll also see that there's some melting happening to that saran wrap. I can feel the heat coming off of this thing. Let's just take a look at this box right here. Okay, look at that. That's oops. There we go. So this box got, 100. Maybe like 115 degrees or so. Well, the hard part is using all this in the right direction. Okay, let's open it up, see what we got. I'm just tearing this because that's the part that melted. Another little piece of plastic, and here we have the s'more. Oh, baby. Look at that. Okay, at least I see melted chocolate. This is good. This is really good. Okay. Now, again, I can feel the heat. Let's take a look. Okay, we can see that it's hot. It's definitely hot. Let's dig in here. Wow. And hot might not be the right word. It's pretty warm though. It is pretty hot. Now, watch this. As I take it out, some chocolate stuck in there because the chocolate definitely melted. Oh, yes. So you can see, look how squishy that marshmallow is. Okay, we're looking at the quality of these materials. You can see that chocolate definitely melted. Let me unwrap my little present here. Okay, devise this awesome thing to keep it all together. All right. So look at that. It actually stuck. The marshmallow stuck to my graham cracker. You know, that right there, that is a good looking s'more. You know? Cheers to science, to solar radiation. Oh, it kind of tastes like plastic. So maybe it's not the most healthy thing. Because it has like, yeah, it kind of tastes like plastic. So I don't think I'll eat anymore, but it worked. Yay!